A 1929 Ford road model. It's a Roadster pickup. 1929 Ford Model A Roadster pickup. It's looks like it's all original stock. You see the original motor in here. Oh, an alternator. So that's an upgrade. Definitely want that 6-volt to 12-volt upgrade for sure. It's got Indian Racing on the back here with an Indian motorcycle. That I've never filmed here before. That is, see, it's a hardtail, of course, your Springer front end. And it's got like bicycle brakes. I mean, I wonder if that's how that was. You see the bicycle brakes on there? The natural rubber colored tires. Basically, it's like a bicycle with a motor in it. Wow, it's amazing. Or is it a bicycle with a motor in it? Wait a minute. I don't know. Maybe that's how they work. You've got the. Maybe that's it. That is probably the way it is. I mean, almost today you would think this is. You know, when you see these kits for bicycles with the engines, that's basically what this is. I mean, it looks like it, but it was from India. An Indian brand. Let's see, there's the helmet. The helmet.
I've never seen this before.
Goggles. Huh. Don't fall off the back of that seat, that's for sure. Ouch. Anyway. Here's the cab inside. So, and you got your windows. This is all folded out and snapped up over there, so you got open air. That's cool. It snaps open real easy. Get around this side a little bit. I've never seen this. It's pretty cool. This is when men were men. They drive these things. Imagine driving that to California, from Florida. Let's skip California. Let's just go to less than that. Anyway. We'll go to California, just don't go all the way to the coast. Anyway, how's that? Cool. Let's get a more close-up of this. I've never seen this thing here. This looks, you know, it's almost reminding me, like looking at this, I'm saying to myself, is this the way it really was? Or am I looking at something, maybe it was. This looks like something out of, I mean, they're making the bicycles basically the same way, with that kickstand like that. The bracket with this wheel like that is exactly how they have the aftermarket engines and stuff that go on bicycles, right? But of course, that front end with the Springer. Imagine having a bicycle today when you had a Springer like that. You can add on to that. That'd be so cool. Goggles. Here's your helmet, leather helmet. They had these. That's what they used to use even like in the Tour de France and stuff. They used to wear like a leather helmet, a leather, I don't know what you call it, I guess it's a leather helmet or something. One of these helmet stuff. It's got it all bolted down there good with the, you know, the wing nut bolts. Huh. What's cool about this thing? You can probably get a lot of distance out of that sucker too. I mean, you really can go really far. And I'm not sure if somehow this was made custom by him or this is something factory. I mean, that's what's making me wonder. I mean, obviously some of this stuff is not new, but the whole overall design looks like something you could buy, you know, with that engine and stuff. Well, the frame is different too. I mean, it's not. Yeah, this has got to be it. I mean, the frame. Look at the way it is. Two top tubes like that with the gas tank. So somebody thought of this way back when, and they haven't really changed it that much. It just almost looks like what you can get today in a lot of ways. Like, you know, the bicycle. You took the standard mountain bike and you added a motor to it, and it almost looks like that to me. It's amazing. guess this is all genuine. It's just like I'm looking at this brake setup and I'm saying, is that what it was? Really like that? I guess so. I guess so, man. Huh. Well, a lot of attention on this because I think this is very unique. Oh, what is this? There's not that there's a card down there or something to explain it, but that's amazing. Oh, and I guess this locks that tire. That's good. That's smart. Sweet. Indian racing in a pickup truck.